So welcome back, folks, to a brand new video, and not sure what that's about there. Why have they fenced that off there? But we're heading into Bradeleigh today on this video, and we've just gone round Chellyth area, and just want to show you what Bradeley's like. So yeah, we've got some more football pitches in this area. This video is being taken on Thursday the 20th of February 2025, and in fact it's now gone. So this used to be a big football pitch, and seen many times where adults have been playing on this pitch here, and you can see where tyre marks and things people have been driving over off the road perhaps and coming onto here. I don't know, but the social behaviour activity around this area is high, and I've seen it myself when I've been around here with people in general. But looks like the football nets have gone now, or maybe they'll be back in the summer perhaps. I don't know, but yeah. And someone has left the jacket here, but yeah, it's a big space of land, so maybe houses perhaps could be coming on here. I don't know. I just don't know what the future holds for this big plot of land here next to the school, the Burnwood School. But we'll carry on into Bradeleigh, and you can see the signage over there. Welcome to Bradeleigh. As you can see over there, somebody's lost a shoe. There's just one. Somebody said on one of the other videos, one of my friends, on ST audits you only ever find one shoe, and there's only one there. This is a Canterbury Drive, and it looks quite posh down there. The posher side perhaps of Bradeleigh. It's a Canterbury Drive, and we've got this bus shelter here, which is all in one piece. No windows smashed out of that one. But we'll carry on down here. Somebody's got a defibrillator there in the garden. So if you're needing one of them around this area, there's one there. But this rain's starting to come down again now, and I've had it quite lucky really in the time I've been here doing these videos today. But now it's starting to come down a little bit harder, and try and whiz around Bradeleigh as quick as I can, I think, because got that wind as well picking up. I hope you can hear me okay. Sorry about the wind, there's not much I can do about it. I keep thinking to myself, do I buy some of them wireless microphones, but I don't know if they make much difference. Leave a comment in the comment section if you've got them wireless microphones. Let me know if they make much difference to the wind, cutting out the wind of the videos. So but that wind is picking up now. I've come on the other side of the pavement here, so you can see the main road and this road that leads these houses on this side, which is a bit different, man. Don't normally see this, do we, anywhere else we go? But Somebody's got a skip there full of rubbish. And sounds like somebody's jet washing something there. But, yeah, it's I think this is in for the day, this horrible weather. So yeah, somebody's keen over there. I'm not going to show them, but they're currently washing the car. I wouldn't be washing my car in this weather, to be honest. But, you might have been halfway through it, perhaps, I don't know. But come down this section here, and it's looking quite clean round here, to be fair. I haven't seen much rubbish around. Got these steps here, look like they could do with a bit of attention. Look at that. Yeah. Bit wonky, aren't they? But further down this road, we've got these massive potholes that I mentioned to you about on the last video, and I'm going to get them on this video as well. I'm going to show you what them are like. They're massive. But when I first started videoing, I started on filming the local areas and the roads. I've gone off that a bit now, but I will show you these potholes because they are absolutely massive. And show you what we're paying our road tax for and what it's going to, basically. But yeah, what a mess down there. But these pigeons are having fun here, by the looks of it. And here we've got the Kingdom of Jehovah's Witnesses. This is the car park and the buildings here on the right. And got the Bradwell Football Community Centre. So them are them football pitches that we saw as we went around that nature reserve a couple of videos back. Somebody's had some buns or something and just left the wrapper there. The usual stuff that you get in Stoke-on-Trent. But yeah, this weather's miserable right now. Getting absolutely soaked. But I don't get many opportunities to do videos, so I have to do them all in one hit. So I'd have to just take my chances. If I get wet, I get wet, and that's how it is. But yeah, the Bradely Football Development Centre there on the left, and we'll carry on around here. And here you've got Emmanuel Church and RJ Harrison's the clutch man over there. There's a caravan as well. That's yeah, Emmanuel's Church. And the bus was waiting over here, number 61. And this is actually the Welcome to Port Vale Foundation, home to men and women's girls football team. That's interesting, isn't it? But we'll just cross the road here. So yeah, just come on to Caxton Court. Just thought I'd have a little whip up round here, see what it's like around this section on Caxton Court. But yeah, it's really wet. Just wanted to show you this old pub here on the opposite side of the road. But yeah, look at that public bar. That's a really old one, isn't it? And the Bradely village, yeah. But we're going to carry on down here. And I can hear signs of a fire engine by the sounds of it. So hopefully there's not another fire around this area. Especially when I'm filming this. That's the last thing we want. Bradely Community Centre. not one person on that bus either, as I just walked past it. Thought there'd have a lot of people gawping at me, wondering what I was doing, but there's nobody on that bus at all. And yeah, slimming rolls in that community centre there. If you want to slim down for the new year, 2025, yeah, you can see where they've cut that down and just left the stump. What a mess that looks. And look at this here. All this stone on this road here. Yeah, a bit of a mess, isn't it? But got to keep my eye out for them big potholes as well. I know they're down this road, but I'm not sure where they're down exactly. So we'll keep my eye out for them. Like, you've got these old terraced houses on the right. These have been up for some years as well, haven't they? And yeah. So that just derelict wasteland over there. Yeah. But we'll carry on venturing up here. And got a breakfast place up here. Oat cake, sausage and egg, beans and bacon, tomatoes, mushrooms, hot drinks. Up this way here. Oh, it's Joe's Pantry. Right next to where the sign is. We've got a main road up here, it's just houses mainly up there. And Wild Pharmacy, that takes you to the nature reserve. Just for them people walking from. But, yeah, we'll get on this pavement over here and show you where them potholes are. Just monsters. So on the other side, I've got this slightly newer estate, Ford Green, and we've just starting to come out of the Bradeley area, and yeah, got these football pitches up this top end, miles and miles of fields over there. But yeah, this sign here that you can see, there's the sign that says "Welcome to Bradeley." So we're just coming into like the Ford Green small thorn area. We have done small thorn before on the video. I did it at night a few weeks ago, and if you want to see small thorn, I suggest you have a look at that on the channel. But I came past here yesterday, I saw loads of wheel trims, and I can see a tyre here today. But these massive potholes are taking so many people's tyres out here. I should suggest. I managed to miss them yesterday, but I didn't know about them. So this is the reason why I highlight these things on this video. Shell Heath Road, mine water treatment scheme. Somebody's dumped an old slide there. Yeah. But, you can see a tyre here. Look at that. Dumped on the pavement here, and I suggest that's what this big pothole here has done. And I'll show you. There's a bit of a mess there on that house. But, it could be filled with water today as well, so even more bad or dangerous. And this is the thing, I'll have to try and find where they are. So yeah, you've got a wheel trim there, and a load of wheel trims here, and this here in a second, where what's doing it, I'll show you. It's that one there mainly that's probably causing the most damage. That one there is not too bad, but that one there is a monster, and I'm gonna have to wipe my lens, I think, so you can see. But yeah, there it is, folks. So there it is, folks. Absolutely massive, that one. But I'm going to love you and leave you there. And just coming to small form at the middle section of the bank here. There's bottles everywhere and that. But I'm going to love you and leave you, folks. And that was Bradeley on this video. If you have liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you, and bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.